Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Sunday dinner is so special. It's when families gather, take a break from their crazy schedule, and reconnect together without iPhones and tablets. Yeah, people do that. They actually talk with each other. Awesome. It's also a great excuse to make a delicious roast like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my eye of round roast. This is an easy recipe and also very tasty. With a simple and yet flavorful oil mixture and seasonings, this piece of beef is perfect to serve with side dishes. Make your Sundays memorable with this recipe. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a small bowl, we'll add olive oil, stone ground mustard, and herbe de Provence, which you can get my homemade recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll stir very well until the ingredients are nicely blended. Now, here's a beautiful 3-pound eye of round roast that we brought to room temperature. And like any other meat, we'll pat it dry with a couple paper towels before seasoning. It's imperative to do this step so we end up with a gorgeous, flavorful brown crust. There's more info on the website, so check it out. Then we'll season generously on all sides with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. What I like to do is to rub the meat on a cutting board to get all the salt and pepper that fell on it. Why waste it, right? Next, using a paring knife, we'll make small incisions big enough so we can insert small pieces of garlic in them. Another approach would be to rub a couple garlic cloves on the meat prior to season it. I prefer my way. So when the 8 garlic pieces are inserted, we'll transfer the meat to a baking dish lined with foil with a wire rack. Because we do a lot of dishes at home, I like to grease the rack with cooking spray. It cleans up much easier. Now, we'll brush on our olive oil mixture over the meat. This will give it an incredible flavor. When this is done, we'll transfer the roast to a 425-degree preheated oven and cook for 15 minutes at first before reducing the heat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll roast until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, which is about an hour, give or take. We'll remove from the heat, transfer the meat onto a cutting board, and place loosely some foil on top, forming a tent. We'll let it rest for 15 minutes before slicing. I don't show it, but if you want to make a quick gravy, go on the website for ingredients and directions. And my friends, this is our eye of round roast. The preparation is easy. It's a pretty straightforward recipe. Uncomplicated, this is a delicious roast to enjoy for your Sunday night dinner along with mashed and vegetables. It's certainly a must-try. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!